Hi and welcome in this new video where I'm gonna teach you how you can make money from zero. So why am I making this video? It's because most of the time when I talk to people that follow in France or even in the US, the main question is that I need 500, 300, 1000. How can I do? I need it quick. The answer is always the same, and it's your closet. And people are like, what do you mean my closet? It's super easy. It's because the money is in your home, but most of the people don't know that. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can find money in your home, sell it, make money from it, and then buy whatever you want, or simply make more profit and more money. Before that, please subscribe to this channel and smash the like button to show me that you like this type of video. It helps me to know if you want me to do more of this type of video or not. So thank you so much, and let's go. So the first thing you have to know is that this whole concept is something that I'm making since I'm young. Like when I was younger, like maybe 12, I used to trade on marketplaces such like eBay. I used to trade like Yu-Gi-Oh cards. I used to buy and sell video games, and for me it came really naturally. And to be honest, by growing up I was doing it like super naturally. But by growing up, I discovered Gary Vaynerchuk, who you might know. He had this whole concept of trash talk, which I love because it's really so true. Like you can make money from zero. You can make money from nothing. And my very first rule is that if there is an object or clothes or whatever in your house that you don't use since more than 3 months, you just sell it. That's it. It's super easy, and by doing that, that will help you to get money to buy new stuff that you really want, or to make profit and to get more money if you want to invest in like crypto, in like stock option, or in like your own business. And that's why I really love to get this strategy, because it's really powerful. And let me tell you a story. But as you know, I live in the US since less than a year, and before that I was living in France. And in France, at the moment of leaving, I lived in France my whole life. So at the moment of leaving, I was doing like, okay, what should I bring to the US? What should I don't bring to the US? And what was good with that is that I got 2 suitcases, so I couldn't take more, you know. So my plan was like, okay, anything that is too big or that I don't use in 3 months, I sell it and I'm gonna buy it better in the US. And that's what I did. And by doing that, in just 2 hours, I made $500 because I was just checking everything, and it was super easy because when you take care of your product, you can sell it back and you can sell it sometimes for profit. Like there is some IKEA shelves that I bought for like $20 and I sold it for like 45. Same for a couch, same for a lot of stuff. And it's super interesting to understand that if you find a good product, if you know what people want, you can sell it back with a profit. So now I'm going to show you the best strategy. So first, you have to go on ebay.com or Facebook Marketplace, and you just list your product. It's free to list, and I think eBay take a small fee once you sell. So it's pretty good because it doesn't need you to invest a lot of money to make your product appears on the marketplace. So it's kind of super easy, and that's why I really love using eBay. So for some reason, maybe because I'm in the US or some other reason, I cannot access to my eBay account, but I really love to, because I could show you that since I'm young, I made like maybe 10,000 in profit with eBay. So of course it's like on several years, because it was not my main business, but it's still money that I made from nothing or from stuff that I really bought, you know. So it's pretty good. And so what you can do is like, for example, you are looking to sell I don't know, let's say a chair. Let's say you are selling a chair. So you can see here you have a lot of chair. My tips is not to sing to the chair that are listing, but to check all the product that used to be sold. So we're gonna see, you just go down and you put sold items. So be careful. You see, it checked me the complete item. Don't put all the time complete item, because most of the time it's not already sold. So by doing that, in sold item, you can see all the sold item and the price. So that can give you a lot of ideas, and it's pretty nice. My problem right now is like I put chair and it's like kind of super broad, so you won't have like the specific thing, but let's say I want to set a mug that say mug cat, for example. Let's say I have a mug cat. I can see in sold item all the mug cat that I have, and for example, I have this mug. You know that it was sold starting from $14.95, so it's pretty good because that gives you kind of a range of when you can set up your price to be in order, because most of the people don't know these tips, these single tips that will change forever your life on selling on eBay. Because most of the people, that will put, for example, the mug at $1, $2, $3, which is not profitable, and when you check how much the same mug was sold, you can have a range. So sometimes you will sell it a little bit less, sometimes it will be a little bit more, but that make the difference between people that knows and people that don't know. So that's why it's super important, and I really encourage you to do this because it's a nice tip and it's really easy to make. So that's the first one. Now let's say, and I have a lot of people telling me this, it's like, hey Tom, it's good what you're doing, but I don't have anything to sell. Like, I'm a student, I live in a room and I have nothing, or I'm poor, I'm broke, whatever. It's fine. I have another tips. In fact, I have 2 tips, and you will see what is it, and it's super important. So this tip will ask you to work a little bit more, but trust me, it will be a lot more profitable because it will cost you 0. So let's move on and check. So you go on Craigslist, so everybody know Craigslist, and you just go and on the main page you go on free. So you have 4 sales and you click on free, and here is all the product around my place. So you'll see I live in Orlando, so it's around Orlando, all the free products that are to give, you know. And so you can see that some of them are super disgusting, like for example this one, but some of them are really good. You can see like this one is really nice, and so maybe it's a little bit damaged, but you can work on it if you're good with it, and you can renew it and then sell it for a lot of money. Like this one, if it's perfectly clean, you can sell it minimum for 500, and it will cost you 0 and a little bit of work. So personally, I don't know how to do. I'm not good to renew things, so I will pass on that. But imagine someone that is super good with those kind of work. You can really do a lot of stuff. So we can check. So you see we have a oven. So let's check if it's good. So we have to check if this oven is working or not. But let's say you get this oven, so it will be a little bit heavy, but you don't care. Like, it's free, you know, like it's free. That means that you take this oven and you sell it back on eBay or on Facebook Marketplace for like 200 or 300, and people will buy it because it's super cheap for an oven, you know. So it's pretty nice, and once again, it's free. So for me, it's the best way to make money starting from 0. It just takes a little bit more work because you have to find what is good, what is interesting, how can you do. But for example, you have this bathtub, all right? So okay, it's a little bit damaged on the top, but it's a kind of hot tub, you know. So for example, so you see you have all the prices, but a hot tub, it's usually kind of a lot of money. So if you arrive and you put that, and once again you renew it a little bit, and you put that for like a small amount, it's pretty good because you have a lot. It's not just one, you have like 1 or 2. So it's pretty good because you can renew it and then you can make a big profit on that. So yes, it's a big product, so you need to have a big car, but once you figure that problem, you're fine and you can make money. Really, like, it's super easy. And I don't understand why so few people are doing this, because it's honestly free money. And you know, we say on internet the money is there, and clearly, yeah, it's true. Like, you just have to be smart and you just have to know. But if you know where the money is, you can go. Same here. Like, I'm pretty sure, I'm not good at cleaning and all the stuff, but I'm pretty sure if you fix this and you just clean, you know, but carpet cleaner and all the stuff, you can have a beautiful couch. Once again, it's free, and you can sell it for 100, 200, even $50. You don't care. It's free for you, you know. It's like free money. So just go and do it. So for me, Craigslist is the best of the best of the best. But if you want to go somewhere else, you have Facebook Marketplace, and you can go here on free stuff. So what I don't like in Facebook is that most of the time it's not free. It's like whether it's people doing the ad, or like for example here it's free, but it's not free. It's like someone that will say, hey, I can do that, or I can say it. So this one is not a good example, but for example, exactly this one, it's not free. It's like a free estimate, so it's different. And sometimes you can be a little bit tricked on Facebook, but otherwise, see what I told you about the sofa. You have this one, reclining sofa, free, like free, like it's free money. So it's pretty good. And once again, you should check on that. So Facebook, and of course you have Craigslist, and you need to set up on that, and then you set it so either on Facebook Marketplace or either on Craigslist or on eBay. I recommend eBay because for me it's the best, really. I really love eBay, but it's pretty good. So this is all I wanted to tell you today in this video. I hope you liked it, because really it's super powerful and it will help you to get real results super fast. And once again, it's no bullshit. It's like free money. You take it, you sell it, and boom, you make money. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and share this video if you think that can help people around you. Thank you so much for being still here at the end. I wish you a very good day, and as I always say, take action.